Are you trying to be a streamer, but your quality is just so potato? Well, let's look at this product. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host, Matthew, and today we're going to be taking a look at the EMEET S800 Ultra HD Webcam. That's right, this thing can do 4K. That's a 4K. But as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we do a full unboxing and review. So, let's get into it. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. Today we're going to be taking a look at the EMEET streaming webcam. This is the EMEET SmartCam S800. Looks fantastic. We've worked with EMEET in the past before, and all of their products are definitely high quality, great for streaming or just being a business. So, very nice. Looks like we got 4K right here, HDR autofocus, double microphones built in this thing. Packaging looks fantastic. Let's open it up. Looks like we got a little quick start guide right here. Very nice. Huge fan when they include all this kind of stuff. It makes it nice and easy. But right here we got, what is 4K? Nice. Explaining it, how to set up the 4K on your Windows or on your Mac. So it looks like we're gonna have double compatibility here. Look at this for streaming and everything, little comparison stuff. Wow. Explaining how the camera is set up. That's very, very cool. Software information right here if you use OBS or YouTube Studio. Huge fan of those things because they're free, so great to use them with something as awesome as this EMEET. And right there, using the 3.0 port. Nice. They've got the more in-depth user manual right here. Looks like we have multiple different languages. Huge fan of that as well. So, you know, it's universal. How to set up your webcam, how to put it on a tripod. Very cool. Great job, EMEET. Looks like we got some cabling here that's included. Very awesome. Huge fan of free cables. So we got one that can go into a computer here, and then I'm guessing USB-C to plug into our camera, but we'll check that out in just a little bit. These little foam pads are in the box protecting the camera on the bottom and the top, so just letting you know that it is safe in shipping. And here we go. This is what you came here for, right? Wow, look at this. Very nice. We have some ventilation here, and yes, USB-C on the device. So, as you'll see, these puppies go together, and then this is what plugs into your PC. So I'm going to assume that if you have a USB-C port, you can do USB-C to C and not have to worry about that. Looks like we have the tripod connector right here. Very cool. So you just run that up, or you can put it on the lip of your monitor and tack it in so that it hangs. Very nice. This thing looks great. We've never had any issues with EMEET in the past, so looking forward to it. Let's go ahead and try it out. This is the EMEET S800 Webcam. Ultimate 4K visual experience, supporting 4K at 30 FPS and 1080p at 60 FPS. The S800 delivers ultra clear, smooth video for streaming and conferences. Featuring a Sony sensor with a 1/2-inch capturing size, an f1.8 aperture value, and an f4.71mm focal length. The EMEET SmartCam S800 is a professional consumer-grade solution for scenarios requiring high image quality and low light performance. HDR, manually enabled in the EMEET link, retains bright and dark details, offering perfect image with multiple metering modes. Unparalleled performance with dual-autofocus, the 4K webcam has phase detection autofocus and time of flight dual autofocus that offers us significant advantages over single autofocus, such as faster speeds, higher precision, and more stable performance in various scenes. Dual mechanism reduces focusing error and increases the success rate of sharp images. 40° to 73° FOV offers flexibility from single person to group use. The EMEET link lets you customize image settings and upgrade firmware easily. Superior audio clarity and flexible design, so it comes with dual noise canceling mics. The 4K webcam for PC uses advanced noise suppression to eliminate background noise, ensuring clear audio within a 10-foot range for flawless communication. Hey everybody, this is me recording with the EMEET S800 microphones. So there are dual microphones here, so this is the clarity you're going to get. I am about this far from the camera, so a nice little amount there, but this is what you hear. The flexible stand design offers a 44.5 degree horizontal angle and a 45 degree vertical forward angle, providing ideal viewing angles for various scenarios, from desk work to high angle shots. A standard 1/4 inch nut for the tripod offers a stable setup for any environment. And it's perfect for major platforms and systems. The EMEET S800 streaming camera is fully compatible with Zoom, Skype for Business, Microsoft Teams, Google Meet, Google Hangouts, Cisco WebEx, GoToMeeting, BlueJeans, so much more. So it ensures a stable, high-quality call, and is compatible with Windows and Mac OS. And it works seamlessly in USB video device class, which is UVC mode. Experience unmatched flexibility and HD quality with a streaming webcam. And it's got convenient plug and play, so guaranteed privacy. The S800 4K streaming webcam combines with ease of use with top-tier security. With USB 3.0 and 2.0 plug-and-play functionality, this 4K webcam ensures easy connectivity, high-speed data transfer, and stable performance without complex drivers. Privacy protection features include a physical cover to block the lens, no Wi-Fi to prevent breaches, and no Bluetooth to avoid leaks. No drivers to reduce vulnerabilities, and no cloud storage to keep all that data local. EMEET, you've done it again. This thing is awesome, high quality, and just wow. No matter if you need this for home or your office, this has got it going on. Great job, EMEET. EMEET, this thing is awesome. Like I said, we've worked with EMEET quite a few times in the past. Every product has been A+, great quality, and this one's the same. It's awesome. We want to give a huge shout out to EMEET for sponsoring this video. You can find all their links down below. Don't forget, I've been today's host, Matthew. You've been watching Good Take Cheap. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye.